Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Travelog Fun Food Facts. The immunity word has been the most famous and most searched keyword in past few months. With the ongoing pandemic of coronavirus and different weather conditions of all countries, it has become all the most important for us to boost our immunity as much as we can. The pandemic has made everyone to eat homemade healthy food rather than feasting outside unhealthy food. Immunity is basically the foremost defense system against all sorts of viruses, flus and infections like cold, cough or fever. Even doctors and health experts recommend that the only way to fight off or protect oneself from all kind of viruses, infections is by strengthening your immune system. The stronger the immune system, the less chances you will have of falling ill and quicker you will recover. Nutrients the body needs for the immune system to develop and function appropriately include protein, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, probiotics means the good bacteria that promotes healthy digestive system, vitamin B6 and B12, zinc, iron, etc. There are number of foods that can help build your immune system. For this, I have already informed everything in my previous video of healthiest food you should eat. You can check the video, link is given in I button. Apart from food, there are few drinks which play a vital role in maintaining health. Staying hydrated is a great way to boost the immunity system. In this video, I will inform you few beverages which you should take to boost your immunity, and these drinks can easily be prepared at home with basic ingredients. So let's begin with the very first drink or juice, beetroot and carrot juice. This juice makes for a great detoxifier due to presence of betaine in beets that help support healthy liver function and flush out all toxins. It is a great blood purifier which also help in keeping your skin glowing and healthy. It is good for anemic people as it raises iron level, and this juice help improve digestion due to the presence of fiber that help keep the gut healthy and also balances blood sugar level. You can make this juice as take 300 gram of beetroot, 300 gram of carrot, half teaspoon lemon juice, ice cubes which is optional, salt as per taste and honey. Wash and cut the veggies, transfer to a mixer, add salt, ice cubes, honey and blend it well. You may add little water for smoother mixture. Strain the mixture to extract juice. Add lemon juice and serve it. Second is turmeric tea or golden milk. Turmeric spice has been used for its medicinal, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties for 1000 years. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin. It improves immune function with antiviral and antibacterial properties. Drinking turmeric tea brings about several benefits like reduces arthritis symptoms, reduces cardiovascular complications, prevent and treat cancer, protects against liver damage and manage diabetes and lung conditions, etc. To make turmeric tea or golden milk, you need 1 teaspoon turmeric, half cup milk, half teaspoon ginger and cinnamon, pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon honey. Combine all ingredients in a small saucepan. Cook it for 10 minutes. Then strain this turmeric tea or golden milk in a mug and serve it hot. Third is evergreen smoothie. Green smoothies are packed with fiber which lowers cholesterol and glucose levels, keep you feeling fuller for a longer and regulates your body's cleansing process. Plus, it's a tasty way to get a strong dose of fruits and veggies which provide vitals like vitamin A, vitamin C, folate, potassium, iron, protein, magnesium, fiber, vitamin K, etc. Having evergreen smoothie may benefit your eyes, health, reduce oxidative stress, reduce blood pressure, strengthen bones, immune system, and lowers heart disease, etc. Recipe for evergreen smoothie is: you need few ingredients like 1 cup spinach, half cup bottle gourd or else cucumber, a handful of mint leaves, half cup curd, a pinch of rock salt, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, half teaspoon of lemon juice, few ice cubes which is optional. Wash all veggies, cut into small pieces, put it in a blender, add all ingredients and blend it till all ingredients become to a smoother paste. Pour into a serving glass and serve it cold. This smoothie also helps in weight loss. Fourth is Golden Glue Smoothie. This drink is great source of beta carotene, vitamin C and enzymes that aid digestion and helps in boosting immune system. It is rich in vitamin C, D, E and K as well as minerals such as magnesium, potassium and calcium. To make this smoothie, you need few ingredients like 1 carrot grated, orange or sweet lemon pulp, half cup papaya, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon ginger grated, few ice cubes which is optional. Wash and cut all fruits, blend it to a smoother paste and pour it in a glass and serve it chilled. Fourth is tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in nutrients like vitamin C, B, K and A, along with minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium. It is rich in beta-carotene and lycopene, which reduces risk of developing heart disease and some cancer, boost digestion, prevent constipation, high cholesterol, strengthen immune system, improve vision, helps in weight loss and also helps flushing out toxin deposition from the body. Recipe for tomato juice is: take 6 ripe tomatoes, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, salt a pinch, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You may also add carrots in it and few ice cubes. Boil tomatoes and peel off its skin. Add pulp in blender along with other ingredients and puree it till smooth. Strain the mixture and serve it cold. In above mentioned beverages, you may add more ingredients as per your choice. These easy to prepare homemade drinks will not only keep you fit but also strengthen your overall immune system. So friends, I hope you like the drinks and its recipes which I shared. There are several other juices, smoothies which are healthy for human body. So let me know in the comment box if you also know any such healthy drinks recipe. Kindly like, share and subscribe to get updates for my upcoming videos. Thank you.